feeling like a constant failure. I was feeling a lot of self-loathing, self-hatred.
I was stuck in the dark and alone.
But being a guy, this pressure, I can't ask for help, I can't talk about it.
It took me up to not wanting to live anymore.
And that's what led me to the bridge that day. That's also what led me to leap over the railing.
With generous funding from Movember, the Men's Health Research Program at the University of British Columbia has built programs that have benefited thousands of men across Canada. Men's sheds are places where men come together, socialize, and participate in activities unique to each group. Sheds have emerged all across Canada.
It's not a therapy group, it's not a support group that's, aimed at that. It's really about connecting men and giving them an opportunity to share about things that are important in their lives and to get support.
Heads Up Guys is an online resource that provides men with information and practical tips to manage and prevent depression. So far, the site's received almost 250,000 visits, and over 36,000 self-checks have been completed. Man Up Against Suicide shares photographs, art, and narratives from men and women who have lost a male to suicide, and men who have previously experienced suicidality.
By having an exhibit, we are bringing people together in a safe space to share their stories around suicide.
So far, there have been 16 exhibits across the country, and with your support, we can bring it to even more communities. The Dudes Club provides a community space for men to build spiritual, physical, and mental well-being.
For quite a few years I kept everything deep down inside stuff, but I feel now that I can open up.
The Dudes Club expanded into northern BC, and with funding from the First Nations Health Authority and the Canadian Men's Health Foundation, they are planning to expand across Canada to advance the well-being of Indigenous men across the country. The Men's Transition Program uses group therapy to help those especially at risk of depression, particularly men struggling with prostate cancer and college-aged men. The program for men with prostate cancer is now available through the Prostate Cancer Supportive Care Program at Vancouver General Hospital, and they plan to expand the program to men across the country.
Okay. We watched as they take his casket off the aircraft.
Contact Unload is a theater performance by Afghan vets.
When I was there, I was
It depicts their struggle with PTSD and the road to reacclimatizing to civilian life. It's been performed 16 times across Canada, including on Parliament Hill and for Prince Harry.
I did not have to sit in that hell, in that darkness and pain alone anymore. The program put an end to that.